What's up, people? We are in our shop and we've got a huge addition to it that we got yesterday. There's one pole right there. We've got 11,000 pound 2-post lift to go in this shop to make our lives way easier. And you saw the time lapse. We started putting it up last night, and in the instructions for anchoring it down, they sent these with it to anchor it to the concrete, and it said in the instructions 4¼ inch concrete at minimum, 3,000 psi concrete. And so last night we got this pole set, we put all our anchors in the concrete, and in the instructions it said if you can't torque those to 130 foot-pounds, then cut a 4x4 square in the concrete and pour it 6 inches thick. Pour a new slab 6 inches thick and key it under the 4-inch. But anyways, when we put these in, we started tightening them down, and they would not torque over. I don't even think we got 80 foot-pounds on them, and they just started pulling out of the concrete. So we're doing what the instructions say, and we're cutting 4x4 square. We've already done this side with this lovely concrete saw right here. This thing cuts concrete like it's butter. But anyways, we're gonna cut this one, and we use this tape because when water starts coming out of this, you can't see your lines, so we use the tape to mark our lines so we can see them. But also, we wouldn't have to do all this if Daddy had poured a 6-inch slab when he originally built this shop. But we're gonna do it, and it's gonna be better. different person here because Lane's working. We got the rebar, all the metal structure in the holes. We can put post holes in all the corners just for extraness, I guess. All the studs are welded together and welded in with the rebar, and it's in a perfect position, so it should line up, Daddy says. But we'll see. This side's done too. In just a few minutes, we're gonna get started on pouring concrete. We got our concrete right here. We're gonna mix it up in this right here. We're gonna mix it up right here, and then we'll just twist it over and dump it right into the hole. Check this trailer out though. This is a off-road four-wheeler trailer. It's rated for 1,500 pounds, and I've got 1,100 pounds of concrete on it right now, and it's holding up just fine. Yep. I'll put it up on a time lapse for the concrete work.
Where they need to be so they don't
Got it done.
And we ended up hurting somebody. You know,
Twerk.
drop it on a
Cody
coat.
won't look All at right. the camera anymore.
We got it
Wired up.
Yeah.
We've got to put a cover on that, but it's wired up. Time to test it out, which we just put fluid in it, so the cylinders are still full of air. Let's see if it works.
No, it don't work.
The fluid's going down. Fluid level's going down.
I felt something.
Something's happening.
Uh-oh.
All right, we got a leak right there.
Nobody tighten that down. So you
Look,
mashed
wrench
it
right
up.
there, wrench right
I
there.
thought the lever.
All right, we got a leak. Here you go.
Is the lever to let it
The
down?
lever lets it down.
Okay.
Why?
What?
Why is it not
Oh
going
yeah, I never
up?
tightened it.
Never tighten it. Sorry, Joker.
Why is it not
We'll
going
find
up?
any other leaks too. If you don't tighten it.
All right, here we go.
That was the lock.
Cody, are you scared?
Yes. I just quit.
I heard something happen over there in the breaker box.
Breaker then. It's a 20 amp breaker. It's supposed to be 20.
Not with me and Cody's fat butts on this thing. Right, Cody?
Yep.
Are y'all gonna go so far up?
Yeah, we're gonna go so far up.
All right, we're running into an
There's a
issue
hole.
in this weld.
There's a hole in the weld.
Right there. I know somebody that can
Right
fix
there. It's just coming out of
That. Are you
it.
kidding me? That's poop.
Who can weld? We don't know anybody.
Look
Wow.
at it.
See, we gotta be clean.
Yeah, you can't weld it with fluid
What
pouring
on
out
earth?
of it.
Check them fittings, make sure they're tight.
That's poopy. I wonder if... Is it a crack or just a hole in their weld where they didn't get it welded good?
I don't know. I can't tell. There's paint all in there.
Well, that, and you got,
Wow.
Well, that sucks. All right, let me let it all the way down and fluid should stop pouring out of it.
no, that's the MIG.
Got it gouged out, ready to weld.
Tell me when.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah. All right.
Is it hot enough?
Yeah, all we're doing is sealing up a crack. We're not.
We're not trying not to
As long
burn
as it'll
up any
hold up to
seals.
the pressure. Now, I ain't gonna say it ain't gonna crack again.
It better not.
Eventually.
All right, we are back. Not the same day, obviously, because I'm wearing different clothes, but we are back. The lift is completely installed. Everything's hooked up. We got the leak fixed right there where there was a crack. Yeah, it's installed, and this is actually 2 weeks after the last part of the video you saw. But we've used this thing quite a few times since we got it finished up, and it works amazingly. So anyways, that's our newest addition to the shop. It is gonna make our lives way easier. So you'll see this lift in a lot of future videos. So if y'all enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a subscribe, and we'll see y'all on the next video. See y'all.